Hey, it's John. Welcome to the review with me. Just got done eating some spicy noodles, so I'm gonna cool my palate off with a little candy. And this review, I'm going to be doing some Hershey's candies. Now, these are regional flavors. Each of them are labeled as flavor of, and this one is the New York Cherry Cheesecake. So this is kind of like their cookies and cream, but it has a cherry cheesecake flavor to it. Let's go ahead and give this one a try. So, you got the white Hershey's. We have the pink crunchy bits in it. And when I open this, I could smell it immediately. It smells like cheesecake with some fruit flavor to it. Let's give this a try. The cheesecake flavor is there. Yep, that tastes just like cherry cheesecake. I don't have a New York cherry cheesecake side by side to compare, but it tastes pretty good. If you like a cherry cheesecake, try in this variety, the Hershey's cherry cheesecake with little cookie bites in it. Moving down south the coast, we have the flavor of Georgia. So this is a honey roasted Reese's peanut butter cup. Now I have been to Georgia before. I know they have the boiled peanuts. I think they do the salted boiled peanuts, which I didn't really care for. They're kind of mushy. But let's see if we like the honey roasted peanut butter cup from Reese's. Honestly, can't tell the difference. I'm thinking real hard about honey. What if there's honey in the ingredients? Milk chocolate, which is sugar, cocoa butter, chocolate. Non-fat milk, milk fat, lactose, lecithin, PGPR, emulsifiers, peanuts, sugar, dextrose, salt, natural flavor. No honey. And no honey flavor. That being said, it tastes just like a regular peanut butter cup, so I like it. But kind of disappointing that this doesn't have more of a honey flavor to it. And last flavor of region, stay in the south but moving west. Flavors of Texas. This was a BBQ Payday. No name brand for the barbecue, just BBQ Payday. So let's see what this tastes like. Yeah, you can definitely see the barbecue on the outside here. I've had barbecue flavored peanuts before, but never like this in a candy bar. Let's try it out. As strange as this one sounds, it works. It tastes just like a mix of barbecue peanuts and if you had like a sugar-coated peanuts. I would say the most interesting sounding of the three. And it tastes equally as interesting. Not bad. I don't think this would do well, really, but it's a nice novelty to try out. So the Hershey's Cherry Cheesecake was definitely the standout of the three as far as tasting like what it says and being good. The Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, it's good, but it doesn't taste any different than regular. And the Payday one, it tastes alright. It's interesting. But you're probably not going to want a barbecue flavored candy bar often enough to actually sell that. Now there's some other varieties they have that I wasn't able to pick up, and hopefully maybe at some point I'll be able to do a part 2 of this. But there's a coconut Hershey's Kisses that's supposed to be from Hawaii. There is a San Francisco Kit Kat, I believe, with strawberries, and then there's 2 different Twizzler flavors from Florida, I believe, and I can't remember what the flavors are off the top of my head. But I'm going to add one little bonus thing to this video just because I think this kind of fits in with the theme of this, even though it's not exactly like it, and I don't think this is good enough to like have its own video. But I got these Lee Hing Mui sour watermelon, and these are from Hawaii, and it's from a company called Snack Hawaii. And, you know, I just saw an ad for them on Facebook. You know, you buy enough stuff from different places, and Facebook knows what you want to buy. So saw an advertisement for this. It was free shipping, or it was free, but I just had to pay for shipping, which I think was like $3. And I got this interesting sour gummies from Hawaii. So I wanted to see what the deal was. So they look like a basic sour gummy watermelon flavor, but as you can see, they have like a red seasoning on the outside. And that's probably the Lee Hing Mui type of flavoring. Let's go try it. It's interesting because you have a lot of stuff out there that just has sour candies, and this adds a little bit to it. And I'm reading the ingredients on here. Some of these are hard to read. But I do see sugar, plum, licorice, can't read all that. Sugar, corn syrup, cornstarch, citric acid, tartaric acid, artificial flavor, food coloring, fumaric acid, and then Lee Hing Mui preserved plum. That must be the Lee Hing Mui flavor. It's some kind of preserved plum flavor. But it has plum, sugar, salt, licorice, food coloring, and aspartame. So, if you can't have aspartame, you can't have this. So that's an interesting addition to that. Plum flavoring dust. Preserved plum. It is an interesting flavor. Anyway, if you want to try that out, go to snackhawaii.com. They have this and others. This is interesting. Product of Canada. There you go. Snack Hawaii. It has the website information, but it's a product of Canada. Just know it's that. Anyway, guys, hope you like this video. Hopefully I'll have a part 2 with the other flavors of from Hersheys. But until then, I'll see you later.